Pardon to make a mention, Your Lordship. Tied up matter, Your Lordship. BLAPL number 8527-2023, Your Lordship. Petition.
Pardon,
Tied up matter, your lordship directed to list the matters we commencing 16 January.
pardon to one mention, my lord. One CRL number 160 of 2024, my lord. Accused is in custody, my lord. In the lower court, the date was posted for judgment on 5/3/2024, my lord. My lord, I am challenging the order dated 9/2/2024 for set aside the order, my lord.
What order has been passed?
My lord, the charge was framed in the latter stage. Adding one charge.
So what? You must have been given opportunity to cross-examine the witnesses.
None opportunity after.
File your memo. Yes.
Oh,
Tied
yes,
up
ma'am.
bail matter.
Hmm?
Tied up bail matter.
Give it.
Pardon to mention, my lord. CRLA number 147 of 2024, fresh admission. Fresh admission.
Pardon, Your Lordship, this is fresh CRLA.
Please use the mic.
Item number 54. I want to withdraw.
54. What is your good name?
Somyakant Tripathi.
Mr. Somyakant Tripathi, Land Council, files a memo for withdrawal, disposed of as withdrawn. Yes.
Tied up matter, my lord, bail.
Please give it. Tied up bail matter.
My lord, may I mention?
This is JCRLA 5523. I'm appealing for a modification of order.
What modification you want?
My lord, have been instructed only this much only modification of. My lord, previously the bail was granted. I think on that order.
No, don't think. Must be sure while making a mention.
Yeah, my lord.
All right, please give it.
From apology.
Yes.
Pardon to mention, my lord. My lord, may I mention BAPL number 7166 of 2023? My lord, petitioner in JC for 3 years, and out of 60 witnesses, only 10 witnesses has been examined. And one connected matter is listed in today's list at item number 50, my lord.
All right, it has been noted down. It will come next week. Okay.
Please, my lord.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Lord, in this matter, the appellant has already been died.
The case of conviction. So the accused was acquitted. Then who is this man?
My lord,
Is the informant or what?
Item number 1, my lord.
Item number 1.
CRLA 43 of 2002.
Yes. Right. It's a criminal appeal against order of acquittal.
My lord.
Okay. Leave has been complaint case. All right. The your good name is?
Shatabdi Samantraya. On
Please
behalf of
give it.
Mr. R.K. Mahanti.
Okay, give it in writing. So and so, on behalf of Mr. R.K. Mahanti, submits that the appellant is dead and the appeal may be disposed of as not pressed. Accordingly disposed of pressed. Yes, next.
Item 2.
This case, my lord, after all the accused person already sentenced, already complete, my lord, and fine already paid, my lord.
Okay, you don't want to praise this.
My lord.
All right. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that since there are number of appellants,
My lord.
the appellants have already undergone the sentence imposed by the Lenin trial court. They don't want to praise this criminal appeal. In view of such submission, criminal appeals stands disposed of.
Obliged.
Item 3.
Jubilee in conviction of 3 years. The session judge more than 7 years, 374(2).
In view of section so and so, appeals are lied to the court of session. That is the noting.
374(2).
Yes, against the order of the principal magistrate JJ board, What is the conviction and what is the sentence for?
3 years, my lord.
3 years. So it is obviously it will go to sessions court.
Yes.
Session judge is the competent court. So you file the appeal before the appropriate court.
Yes.
I'm handing over the certified copy of the judgment to you.
By
Okay.
replacing the Xerox copy.
Right, and you file the delay condonation application that is to be done.
Leave may be granted.
The stamp reporter has pointed out, देखिए section 52 का juvenile justice. No, it is 2000 Act. It's not 2000 Act. Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children, 2000. Section is 52. Subject to the provisions of this section, any person aggrieved by an order made by the competent authority under this Act within 30 days of the date of such order, refer an appeal to the Court of Session. Provided that the Court of Session may entertain the appeal after the expiry of the said period of 30 days. If it is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by sufficient force from filing this appeal in time, no appeal shall lie from any order of acquittal made by the board in respect of the juvenile alleged to have been committed an offense. Any order made by the committee in respect of the finding that the person is not a neglected juvenile, no second appeal shall lie from any order of the Court of Session, so and so. So competent authority is defined under section
47.
in relation to the children in need of care, so and so, and to the juvenile in conflict with law. So what order was passed? It is by JJ Board 376 2F. Found guilty under section 376 2F read with 511 to be sent to special home for a period of 3 years. All right. Look on. This is item number 3. This criminal appeal has been filed under section 374(2) of CRPC by appellant Aditi Bhoi, challenging the judgment and order dated 11/1/2016 passed by the Juvenile Justice Board, Sambalpur, in city case number 1890/59 of 2009, in holding the appellant bracket to JCL guilty under section 376 bracket 2 bracket small f read with section 511 of the Indian Penal Code, and directing him to be sent to the special home for a period of 3 years. The stamp reporter has pointed out that in view of section 52 of the Juvenile Justice bracket Care and Protection of Children bracket ends Act 2000, appeal is maintainable. Appeal shall be to the Court of Sessions. Stop. Section 52 bracket record 2000 Act will Section 52 of the 2000 Act reads as follows. Section competent authority has been defined under section 2 bracket small g of 2000 Act, which reads as follows. In view of such provision, I find that the stamp reporter has correctly pointed out that the appeal is maintainable against the impugned judgment before the Court of Session. Learned counsel for the appellant seeks permission to withdraw this CRLA to approach the competent court in filing criminal appeal challenging the impugned judgment and order of conviction. Limitation Act देखिए. Judgment of our court type of judgment addiction. Certified copy na empty true copy. In view of such submission made by the learned counsel for the appellant, while disposing of this criminal appeal as not maintainable, the appellant is permitted to prefer an appeal before the competent court, that is Court of Session. And in case such a appeal is preferred within a period of 4 weeks from today, with an application for condonation of delay, learned appellate court shall take into account the provision under section 14 of the Limitation Act 1963 in condoning the delay and entertaining the appeal to be heard on merit. Accordingly, the CRLA is disposed of as withdrawn. Disposed of कर लो. Yes.
Original certified copy में
Original certified copy, the certified copy of the impugned judgment be returned to the land council for the appellant being substituted by a Xerox copy. है ना?
obliged.
Yes.
Item 4.
What is the defect here? Defect as for is sir not removed. One-sided copy of trial court judgment not filed. You have received the copy, Mr.
No, my lord, I am appearing from virtual model lordship.
So
Uh,
you
copy
received the
not,
copy of the appeal memo.
no, my lord, copy not, sir.
What is this case? Judgment was pronounced in 2016. 427. Fine of ₹1. So in default to under gotcha. None appears for the appellant. When the matter was taken off on 10/1/2022, nobody appeared on behalf of the appellant. However, order was passed on that day to remove the defect as pointed out by the stamp reporter within 2 weeks. Since the learning counsel for the appellant has not complied with said order, criminal appeal stand dismissed. Non-prosecution लेकिन is disposed of for them, है ना? Yes.
Item 5.
Your Lordship, I am on behalf of Advocate Bibhuti Bhushan Nanda.
You have received the copy, Mr.
No,
Tripathi?
no, my lord, no, my lord, copy not, sir.
Your Lordship, due to cardiac operation, he is on rest. As per the advice of doctor, so please kindly give 3 weeks time. We will solve the copy and
You are mentioning on behalf of?
Bibhuti Bhushan Nanda.
So what is this criminal appeal for? It's against conviction? No, some other order has been passed. Order of attachment so and so passed by this so and so. But it's a OPID Act case. So the copy has to be given to Mr. Vivekanand Bhuiya or Mr. J.P. Patra. Because the order was passed by the presiding officers designated court under OPID Act. And they are the special counsel appearing for the state of Orissa in such cases.
In item 7 also the same, he has approached my lord. So he has served a copy to us, he should serve a copy to OPID counsel.
That
Item.
copy you hand over, but so far as
I-
this case is concerned.
Copy he has not
Yes.
given.
Okay. Take down CRL number 175 of 2022. Pay you the stamp report. The learned counsel for the state submits that since in this criminal appeal, challenge has been made to the order dated 25/1/2020 passed by the London presiding officer designated court under OPID Act Cuttack in IA number 6 of 2017 and Mr. Vivekanand Bhuiya and Mr. J.P. Patra are the London Special Counsel who conduct such cases on behalf of the state of Orissa. Let the London Counsel for the appellant serve the copy of the appeal memo along with the impugned order on the London Special Counsel within 2 weeks. The name of the London Special Counsel be reflected in the cause list henceforth, so also in the top of the brief. Matter be listed in the week commencing from 18th of March 2024. The other defects, outcome defects, 5 number देखिए sir. Paid CNs were not filed. Oh, the other defects as pointed out by the stamp reporter shall be removed in the meantime.
Sir, item number 7 is also same.
18/3/2024. তাদের BCR লিখিবে যে 190 এটাকে 7 টা বার করো। What you are challenging here? Yes, সে নম্বরটা কেতে ছিল IN number 6 of 2017 যেটা পূর্বটা যেটা same case এদের লিখি দেবে খালি যে defects also same but here you mentioned that the London Counsel for the state Mr. Tripathi submits that though the copy has to be served on so and so, inadvertently it has been served on the London State Council, and he will hand over the copy either to Mr. Vivekanand Bhuiya or Mr. J.P. Patra.
Along with annexure 1, my lord, that was not provided. Annexure 1, the judgment copy is not there. Annexure.
That is not there.
No, my lord.
Okay, so you just give that
I
appeal
will
memo.
hand over, my lord.
The Baki Sabu Rahibo, the London Council for the state, however, submits that the impugned order দিটা annexure ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ
Annexure 1 ଟା lord, 2 ଟା ଅଛି, shelled ଟା ଅଛି.
that the copy of the impugned order
Annexure
bracket annexure 1 has not been tagged to the appeal memo, not annexed to the appeal memo. Let the London Council for the appellant supply the copy of the annexure 1 to Mr. Vivekanand Bhuiya or Mr. J.P. Patra. In the meantime, rest of the defects also you say that's the take up for the. So this matter will also come on 18/3/2024. আচ্ছা দুইটা matter যেহেতু গোটে ইয়েরু আসছি let it be listed along with swans এমতি করে দিন হলো connected to swans. Yes.
Item 6.
Discuss there is some small defect. The enrollment number and phone number of all advocate has not been mentioned in V-Nama, my lord.
And what about the state
Copy
copy?
served, my lord.
Copy served, your lordship.
All right. The Learning Council for the এরা এসিটা পুরো বন্ধ করি আপনি The Learning Council for the state submits that he has received the copy of the appeal memo. In view of the submission, defect number 5D, as pointed out by the stamp reporter, is removed. 5E, it indicates that enrollment number and mobile number of all the advocates not furnished.
My lord.
So you can mention it just now.
My lord.
Okay. So far as defect number 5E is concerned, Learning Council for the appellant seeks permission to remove such defects in court. Permission is granted. What is this criminal appeal for?
The appellant convicted for 10 years under section 304 part 2 of Indian Penal Code, my lord. And the deceased is the mother and the appellant is her son, my lord. The court finds that.
All right. Hard admit call for the trial court record, deposition copy to be supplied to the Learning Council for the state. Interim applications for bail and stay realization of fine to be considered after receipt of the trial court record. Give him to so that he will remove that. And just put your signature, short signature and date in that V-Nama where you will mention the mobile number, etc.
Item 9.
May it please your lordship. Here an order of the OPID court is under challenge, and I undertake to remove the defect relating to limitation in 2 weeks, your lordship.
What is defect number 5D? This is item number 204. 0216.
CRL number 216, your lordship.
216 এটা কোনটা? CRLMC কোন আসছে?
This was converted from a CRLMC.
লেখাইছি. So what is the defect number? There are two defects pointed out. One is defect number 2 and the other is defect number 9. So what are those two defects?
Defect number 2 is regarding limitation.
देखी? So the defect number 2 is limitation and 5 years, 11 months and 30 days is the, then the other one is defect number 9. In 9, you have not mentioned being aggrieved. So
Yes, I'll remove those defects.
you have not filed the delay condonation application.
No, your lordship. I'll do that, your.
And have you served the copy on the?
Yes. Served it on the state.
The copy has to be served on the Learning Special Counsel for the state of Orissa, Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya or Mr. J.P. Patra, since it's arises out of a PID Act proceeding.
Yes, your lordship. I'll do it, your lordship.
So is it Mr. Tripathi, the copy has been served on you or what?
My lord, copy is served, but no annexure given, my lord.
All right.
I'll
So please hand over the copy so that to Mr. Patra who is present.
My lord, I will hand.
The annexures will be provided by Mr. Agrawal to him.
My lord.
Lekhandu. Had Mr. Mohit Agrawal and counsel appearing for the appellant and Mr. J.P. Patra. It appears that the copy of the appeal memo has been inadvertently served on the Learned Counsel for the state. Mr. Tripathi, Learned Counsel for the state, submits that he will hand over the appeal memo to Mr. Patro during course of this week. However, he submits that the annexures are not there with the appeal memo. Let the Learned Counsel for the appellant supply the annexures to the Learned Special Counsel by next week. Mr. Agrawal, Learned Counsel for the appellant, submit that he will remove the defect number 2 and defect number 9 as pointed out by the stamp reporter within a week. Put up this matter after such defects are removed. The name of Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya and Mr. J.P. Patro shall be reflected in the cause list henceforth, and on the top of the brief. I would matter जो OPID Act matter सेटा मध्य लिख देवे. Mr. Patro, I would matter कौन थिला 5 से था?
Item 5.7.
Okay. 5 and 7 ने तांग ना लिखा. Yes.
Item 10.
My lord, here two defects are here. One is good ground defects. Other one is process fee of 450.
Item number 9, defect number 9. 9 ta कौन
10, my lord. Item 10, my lord.
10 ने defect number 9 is the sole defect लिखा है जी.
Yes, my lord. Defect number
So
9.
good ground certificate not furnished.
I'll furnish, my lord, if you also will permit.
बाकी certificate copy under so file. Acha, there is another defect.
450 rupees.
4 paid, but 260 is to be paid further on the certified copy. So remove that.
Yes, my lord.
The Learned Counsel for the appellant undertakes to remove both the defects as pointed out by the stamp reporter. How much time you want?
My lord, within a week.
Within a week. Put up this matter immediately after the defects are removed. Okay, Mr. J.P. Patra, Learned Special Counsel for the state of Odisha is present. Yes.
One extra copy be served.
Acha, extra copy of the CRLA we served on the Mr. Patra.
Right.
Yes.
Item 11.
What is the suffering? Then defect number 5E. 5E ta कौन देखी? Enrollment number not furnished. There is also delay. 172 days delay, and he has filed condonation application. And it's a case of conviction.
Yes, madam. 20 years conviction under section 376D.
Learning Counsel. He has given the phone number. Yes, he has given the phone number. All right. Non appears for the appellant. The defect, as pointed out by the stamp reporter, is not removed. To which time is granted for removal of the defect. Registry shall intimate the Learned Counsel in his mobile number, which is given in the Bhinama, regarding the order passed today. Yes, next.
Item 12.
Mr. Nirmal Kumar Rautray, order number 1 dated so and so may kindly be sent. Okay, time has been taken to file interim application to change the nomenclature from CRLA to CRLLP. 1 year has passed. What judgment is passed by the London Trial Court of okay, it's not guilty. Acha, under 138 NIR. Non appears for the appellant. And the matter was taken off on 30/3/2023, in view of the defect pointed out by the stamp reporter, Land Counsel for the appellant sought for time to file an interim application to change the nomenclature from CRLA to CRLLP. Though more than 10 years have already passed, no such interim application has been filed. In view of the non-compliance of order dated 30/3/2023, the CRLA stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item 13.
My lord. Item 13, my lord. What is the defect?
There are
5D, 6B.
5D is the copy of the state. You have received the copy?
No, my lord, copy not served.
Copy not
My
served.
lord, it is a OPID matter, my lord.
Okay.
My
Where is
lord,
Mr. Patra?
My lord. By tomorrow, my lord.
Next defect is
Good ground certificate not.
next defect is 6B and 9. 6B is provision of law is to be corrected, and 9 is good ground certificate not furnished. So you remove all these defects.
My lord, my lord.
The London Counsel for the appellant 1 week time to remove all the defects pointed out by the stamp reporter. Since the impugned order is passed by the London Presiding Officer Designated Court, UPID at Cuttack. Let the copy of the appeal memo be served on either Mr. J.P. Patra, either Mr. Vivekanand Bhuya or Mr. J.P. Patra, London Special Counsel appearing for the state of Odisha in OPID Act matter. Their names shall be reflected in the cause list henceforth. Time diya or 2 weeks time is granted to remove the defects put up this matter after the defects are removed.
Okay.
Names of so and so be reflected in the cause list as well as in the property. Yes.
My lord, copy sir by tomorrow, my lord.
Yes, yes, served it.
Okay.
Item 14. Item 17.
Two defects are there, my lord.
हाँ?
Two defects are there, my lord.
गोटे तो देखी आउ कौन डिफेक्ट अच्छा हाँ रिसिप्ट नॉट फाइल यू हैव रिसीव्ड द कॉपी मिस्टर
Yes,
त्रिपाठी
my lord. I have received the copy.
Okay. So that defect goes. Then second one is court fee of rupees 12 not paid, and seal of the jail authority not there in the bhinama. So it is simply attested LTI, but the seal is not there. So you obtain a fresh bhinama, okay? And the other defect is that you have to pay that court fee of rupees 12, okay? The learned counsel for the appellant undertakes to remove the defect pointed out by the SR within 2 weeks kar do sir. Within 2 weeks put up this matter after the defect is removed. Defect kar debe ye gotiye dekhei defect is removed. Yes.
Item 18.
May I please, Lordship? Judgment copy you will serve within 7 days. Taken up next week.
All right. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that the certified copy of the impugned judgment will be filed within
7 days.
within a week. In case the impugned judgment is filed, certified copy of the impugned judgment is filed, SR be made and matter be placed for orders public admission. Yes.
My lord, let him serve the copy also.
Yeah.
Copy not.
They obviously they let the copy of the appeal memo. It is against conviction or what? कौन judgment कौन challenge करछिन आपण ठीक conviction RI for 7 years 5,000 fine. All right, let the copy of the appeal memo along with the impugned judgment be served on the learned counsel for the state. Yes, within 1 week.
Item 19.
Mr. Panda.
Please, my lord. My lord, so far the copy is concerned. I have already solved the copy on.
Wait. One by one will defect number 2. Limitation application. There is 11 days delay. You have not filed the delay. Take down so that you can remove.
Sir.
Delay condonation application is to be filed and there is 11 days delay.
Sir.
Number 2, 5D is the state copy.
State copy I have served.
I have received, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Tripathi, learned counsel for the state submits that he has received the copy of the appeal memo. In view of such submission, defect number 5D is removed. Next, 5E is the High Court Bar Association fee of rupees 50 not paid.
Sir.
So that you also removed. Okay. So how much time you want?
Today I will also by tomorrow.
Okay. I'm giving you time till Monday.
Monday. Yes.
For both the limitation petitioner
and as well as that
the learned counsel for the petition appellant submits that he will remove the defect number 2 as well as defect number 5E by Monday. Put up this matter immediately after such defects are removed. Yes.
Item 20.
Defected.
Item 21.
Please, my lord. defect has been shown, my lord?
There are two defects, Mr. Ota. One is 5D means copy of the appeal memo to be served on State Council. Mr. Tripathi,
Not served, your lordship.
not served.
My lord.
And the next defect is defect number 9, where you are to mention that being aggrieved by the order dated so and so, so that you have not mentioned. So that is to be mentioned.
My lord.
So you remove both the defects within a week.
Yes, my lord.
State copies also this being aggrieved portion has to be mentioned. Okay, Mr. Ashit Kumar Ota, Land Council, appearing through the virtual High Court, Mayurbhanj at Baripada, is submits that both the defects, as pointed out by the stamp reporter, be removed within 1 week. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th March 2024. It will come on 11th. Try to remove the defects.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Item 22.
My lord, 2 weeks time, kindly allow for removal defects.
So you know what are the defects?
Yes, my lord.
What are the defects? First, the defect number is 2. What is defect number 2?
My lord, the file is in my senior's custody.
How did you say that you know what are the defects?
Apologize. I don't know.
How much years of practice you have?
My lord, just 3 months.
Huh?
Just 3 months.
Okay, don't repeat this thing. You have to learn so many things. Okay. The file is available with the court master. You can very well, nobody prevents you from looking at the file, taking note of it, and reporting to your senior that these are the defects and we are to remove. And court has given this much of time. Okay. All right. I'm giving you 2 weeks time. Take note of all these defects and remove it. What is your good name?
Alok Kumar Rana.
Alok Kumar
Rana.
Alok Kumar Rana, Land Council, appearing for the appellant, submits that the defects as pointed out by the stamp reporter will be removed within 2 weeks. Put up this matter after the defects are removed. Yes.
Oblige.
Item 23.
Mr. Panda.
My lord, I have removed the defect. So far the delay
So we will go one
sir,
by one.
Sir.
So this is 813. All right. The first defect is defect number 2. That is 124 days
Yes.
delay. Have you filed the
Yes,
delay?
yes. The number is 474 of 24.
Just IA number
474 of 24.
2024.
24.
Okay, that is delay. Then the next one is 5D is the service of copy on the State Council.
Copy not submit.
Not served. 5D is to be removed. Then 5 is High Court welfare fee is rupees 50.
Sure.
So those 2 defects you remove?
Remove by in course of day today.
Okay. Mr. Pandal and Council, appearing for the appellant, submits that so far as defect number 2 is concerned, he has already filed an application for condonation of delay, which has been registered as IA number 474 of 2024. Let the registry place the same on record. Stop. Land Council further submits that defect number 5D and 5E, as pointed out by the stamp reporter, shall be removed during course of the day. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th of March 2024 with IA number 474 of 2024. Hala? Okay.
Oblige.
Item 24.
Hello.
Item 25.
My lord, item 25 pass over.
No, pass over in orders matter. These are the defects. You take down the defects. Hey, I'm going to sleep the answer. Note down. There are this defect number 3 is ₹6 court fee not paid. Then 4A, trial court judgment ₹20 to 65 paisa is to be paid. All right.
Yes, sir.
Then 5D is the service of copy.
Copy not, sir.
Acha. Service of copy is 5D. Okay.
Just
All
not
right.
serve the
Acha.
copy.
Lekhi diyantu. The learned counsel for the appellant served the copy of the appeal memo on the learned counsel for the state in court, and accordingly defect number 5D stands removed. The last one is defect number 6B, and that is provision of law not correctly furnished. So the rest 3 defects you remove within a period of 1 week. Noted down all these defects.
My lord.
Okay. The learned counsel submits that defect numbers 3, 4A and 6B, as pointed out by the stamp reporter, be removed within a period of 1 week. I am keeping this matter on 11th of March 2024.
My lord.
We remove the defects in the matter. Yes.
Item 26.
I'm on VC, my lord.
Yes.
There is an application.
Mr. Murthy, there are 2 defects. Defect number 2, that is, it is pointed out by the stamp reporter that there is 102 days delay.
Yeah, only that
You
part of
have
it.
to file the delay condonation application.
Actually, I have written it in my body of appeal memo, my lord. That I haven't come to know. I have filed it from the 30 days from the date of knowledge. Anyway,
No, you have to file a separate delay condonation
Sure, my
application.
sure, my lord.
That is
That
one defect. Then the
all other
other
defects
defect is 5D means state copy you have received.
I have sent it. I have sent,
Oh, vigilance matter.
I have
So,
sent it, my lord, because by mail on 5/8/23. 5/8.
and councils
The
are
copy
not.
sought to us, my lord, by
Huh?
mistake. Copy sought to
Oh,
us,
you,
my lord.
you have
Check
been
it,
served.
my
So hand it over to the
My-
vigilance council.
my
All right.
All other defects I have removed, my
All
lord.
right. The Mr. Murthy, T.N. Murthy, Land Council, FTGN Murthy, Land Council for the appearing through the virtual High Court, Koraput at Jaipur, submits that he will file the delay condonation application within a period of 1 week.
Sure, my lord, I will do it.
Within a period of 1 week. The Learned Council for the state submits that it's a vigilance matter and appeal memo has been served wrongly on him, on her, and she will hand over the copy of the appeal memo to the Learned Vigilance Council. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th of March 2024. In the after the state of Odisha in the cause of list in bracket VIG be reflected. Okay. So it will come, Mr. Murthy, on 11th March 2024.
Much obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Item 27.
There is defect number 2 limit.
Item 28.
My lord, defect will be removed within 1 week.
So you know the defects.
Yes.
First one is limitation. Second one is the copy of the state council. And the third one is High Court Bar Association fee of rupees 50. Right?
My lord.
State copy already received.
State copy received. Acha, like the Learned Council for the state submits that he has received the copy of the appeal memo. Accordingly, defect number 5D stands removed. The Learned Council for the appellant undertakes to remove the defect number 2 and defect number 6B as per SR within a week. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th March 2024. All right?
Oblige.
Item 29.
May please.
Yes.
Week 2.
Item 30.
My lord, item 30 and 31 both the appeal memos.
Uh,
Defect 4E,
4A means
copy of the judgment, my lord, certified copy.
Copy of the impugned judgment not filed.
Two weeks.
4A টা সেটা আর ওটা দেখি ক্লিয়ার দেখা যাউনি এটা সার্টিফাইড দেখিলে কোন লেখা হইছে 4 ফাইল না নট ফাইল লেখা হইছে ফাইল লেখা হইছে তো 4A টা কোন দেখি কোন তুমি দেখা যাଉନି କ୍ଲିୟର ଇନ୍ ସ୍କାନିଂ 4A ଡିଫେକ୍ଟ ଦେଖଉଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା नो 4A डिफेक्ट इज 18 टंका 15 पैसा आपन को पेमेंट करिया पड़ियो हला लेखन सो you do it within this week so in both the matters the Learned Council for the appellant undertakes to remove the defect number 4A as pointed out by the SR during course of this week hana so put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th March. Yes.
Item 32.
Same order in 31, 30 and 31. Yes, 32. 32, Mr. K.K. Behra. What is the defect here? Defect number 9. Name of the filing advocate in capital letter with enrollment number not furnished in this appeal memo. V number, mobile number achi to? Yes, that is available. All right. 1 week time granted to remove defect number 9. Registry shall intimate the order passed today to the Learned Council in his mobile number. Yes.
Item 33.
Mr. Chinmay Kumar Sahu. So many defects are there. 5D is the state copy you have received. CRLA number 1115.
Received, my lord. Received. I have already received.
Lekhon, CRLA number 1115 of 2023. Learned Council for the state submits that he has received the appeal memo. In view of such submission, defect number 5D is removed. Non-appears for the appellant per the way. The other defects as pointed out by the stamp reporter be removed within 2 weeks कर दियंतु है ना. Stamp reporter sir the registry shall intimate about the order. जाओ B number अच्छी तो mobile number, yes it is there, to the land and council. Yes.
Item 34. Item 41.
May I please, Your Worship?
Yeah.
Your Lordship, offense under section 20B 2C NDPS Act. On last occasion, state
report was called for, my lord.
Well,
Report was called for means
status.
status report.
Yes.
Okay. That is the report dated 29/9/2023. And it is mentioned charge was framed on 21/9/21. And out of 14 charge sheet witnesses, 2 witnesses have been examined. So what happened in the meantime after 29/9?
My lord, no further witness has been examined.
Have you got the order sheet copy with you?
No, my lord. That is.
So did you contact with the local council?
My lord.
So no further witness.
No.
I will record that if
My
it
lord.
is verified.
My lord, then after lunch I will again call in.
No, you will list it tomorrow. Get
My
the
lord.
proper instruction.
My lord. My lord.
Because if I write 2 and it is found that it is 4, then it will not be accepted.
Definitely. My lord.
Just obtain that instruction.
My lord.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the appellant, list this matter tomorrow.
Obliged.
Item 42.
May I please, my lord? For order dated 4/8/23, the Tahsildar Valiant of the present, as I have given earlier to the State Council the name of 2 bailers. The one bailer is Venudhar Sahu and another bailer is Rohit Bhoi. My lord has asked me a question regarding the land stands record in the name of Manguli Bhoi, but the bailer name is Rohit Bhoi. Manguli Bhoi is dead.
So where is that?
Death certificate.
Yes. Are
Tomorrow.
ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏଇ ବେଲର ମତେ ନବ, ସେ ଜମି ରହିଛି ତା ବାପା ନାଁରେ, ତ ବାପା ମରିଗଲାଣି ବୋଲି ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଡେଥ୍
Let it come
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
tomorrow. I'll produce.
tomorrow.
Madam.
All right. Put up this matter tomorrow.
Item 43.
Right, please, Your Lordship. 913 kg, 1600 gram ganja was seized from a jungle mine.
The report was
And
What report about the status? The report is dated 24/23. That is the old report. Okay, so that is 24/23, and here they mentioned that out of 11 charge sheet witness, 1 witness has been examined. So what is the present position, Learned Counsel?
that I never contacted regarding that.
No,
But
get it. Otherwise, if another report will be called for, if you
I will take instruction, Your Lordship, to keep it up tomorrow, because one of the some of the co-accused person, those were similar putting, my lord.
no,
They have been.
I will mention, because he will like the previous case, he will verify it. If it is one, if you say that no, it
No,
is
no, I don't know.
just verify it and get the proper instruction, file a memo indicating that this is the number of witnesses examined.
Right.
Okay.
Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
And you are a local man.
I am a local man.
Okay. As prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the appellant, list this matter tomorrow. Yes.
I am also handing over the copy of the order of the co-accused to the State Council for verification.
The bail order of the co-accused is handed over to the Learned Counsel for the state in court today to verify the claim of parity. You have received the case diary?
No, my lord.
अरे କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଚୁପ୍ କିନ୍ ରହିଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, କାଲି ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା କାହିଁକି ଆସିବ ତାହେଲେ? Get it by next week. Okay. Learned Counsel for the state submits that he has not received the case diary. So also the instruction about the criminal antecedent. So he Monday and
Monday.
Okay, put up this matter on 4th of March 2024.
The fourth as per you.
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଚୁପଚାପ ରହିଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସିଆଡେ କଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସ କ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଡର ତ ଏଠି ଆଉ ସିଆଡେ କଣ ଦେଖୁ yes
It come on 7th or 11th.
all right 11th March 2024 yes next
Item 44.
May plus one. Last again, I had submitted the comprehensive affidavit.
Hmm.
In this case, petitioner, my lord,
how
remanded
many cases are there against you
15.
Jamaru
Some cases he has already been granted bail. And so far the present case is concerned, he has been remanded this case after 2 years of the occurrence. And some persons have been granted bail in standing in similar footing.
what is the offense here
20B2C.
so 357 kg
No one was there on the spot. From a vehicle, contraband ganja of 357 kg was found.
so your implication is based on
Confessional statement. And subsequently, after 2 years, I have been remanded.
when you are taken on remand not so yes Mr. Tripathi
Yes, sir.
the only material is co-accused statement
Co-accused statement is there.
no other material
And criminal antecedents are
no
there.
that is we'll go to that but
Yes.
So let us come to your comprehensive affidavit. You have served a copy on the State Council.
Yes, ma'am.
So these cases instruction you received from the London State Council.
Yes.
Mr.
That is
Tripathi.
reflected in the rejection order.
No, it's all right. Mr. Tripathi.
Yes.
So far as let us say one item I'm telling you that the first item in paragraph number 5 of his comprehensive affidavit.
Yes.
Are you having that affidavit with you?
Yes, sir.
Please come to paragraph 5. So the first case you see, it is Sunabada PS case number 44 of 2013. He says that no such case is pending against the petitioner in this. So have you taken
I will
instruction?
take instruction, my lord, in that too.
So whether he has mentioned that bail has been granted, he is not giving the bail order copies. So the purpose of handing over a copy of that comprehensive affidavit is to verify its authenticity. Okay. So get proper instruction on this comprehensive affidavit, whether it is factually correct or not. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The London Council for the state submits that he has received the comprehensive affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner regarding the criminal antecedent of the petitioner, and he may be given some time to verify to obtain proper instruction on such affidavit put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th March 2020.
Also, I am supplying the copies of the bail orders.
All right.
Of the acquitted
Though
persons.
the London Council for the petitioner supplied the bail order copies of the accused persons to the London Council for the state in court today. Let the London Council for the state examine the claim of verity. Yes.
Item 45.
45, my lord, is an anticipatory bail application. I filed an application for extension. The order
when
dated
it was disposed of?
17/5/2022.
So you did not surrender within those periods?
Yes, ma'am. Only opposite.
So now when you will surrender?
As your lordship, only 2 weeks, my lord. Page 3 of the order matter. Your lordship, while rejected, it is observed that in the event the petition number 4 Bullumaji alias Bulamaji surrenders in the court below within a period of 4 weeks.
Code ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି?
Order of page 3.
3 ରେ କୋଉଟା କୋଉ ଲାଇନ୍ ଟା?
At the top.
ଆଚ୍ଛା.
Also granted bail to others, rejected his prayer.
While not granting anticipatory bail to petition number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Bullu Maji alias Bula Maji say observed that if he surrenders within a period of 4 weeks. So that he wants extension.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. IN number 219 of 2014. There is an application. 2024, huh? For extension of time to petitioner number 4 to surrender before the learned JMFC Ranpur to comply the order dated 17/5/2022 in moving an application for bail. Learning Counsel for the state has no objection. The time as stipulated in the order dated 17/5/2022 is extended till end of March 2024. It is made clear that no further extension shall be granted. IA is disposed of.
Ground of parity.
Huh?
Ground of parity I will take.
It is stated that some of the co-accused persons have been granted bail. Learning court, while dealing with the bail application of petition number 4, shall consider the claim of parity in accordance with law.
Item 46.
May I please? Last occasion, my lord, status report was called for.
Status report is 27/1/2024 and it reads like okay, 2 witnesses have been examined out of 23 charge sheet witnesses, and the deposition copies have also been sent. What is the offense here?
Offense, my lord, 394, 397, 302.
302.
Yes.
Achha, informant has already been examined, and okay, his examination in chief has been deferred since the accused persons are not produced and so on, so not visible. Okay. So the examination was was held on 6 December 23, and the accused persons were not present for the purpose of identification. That is how it was deferred.
Well,
so whether it has been completed in the meantime?
No, my lord. Though FIR against unknown culprit and
It was earlier rejected on merit. This bail application, whether earlier rejected on merit?
Withdrawn.
Okay, withdrawn. So now, as it appears, whether there are eyewitnesses to the occurrence or not?
There are eyewitnesses, but they not named him.
Who has not been named?
This person.
Okay, so it's a case of dacoit with murder, or
Yes.
Or robbery with murder?
Robbery, dacoit with murder.
Dacoit with murder. So after the accused persons or this particular petitioner was taken into judicial custody, since it is the prosecution case that unknown persons committed the crime, whether any TI period was conducted?
No.
So now it is only would be the court identification.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes. And this person having 12 criminal articles.
So he has filed the comprehensive affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
So what type of cases are
noticed.
there?
Yes.
So question is that suppose you are identified in the court, even though no steps have been taken by the prosecuting agency to hold the TI parade to get you identified by the relevant witnesses. So whether such evidence would be accepted or not, that's a different matter. But you wait till the all those witnesses are examined, and I'm directing the State Council to take steps for at least those witnesses are to be produced for examination, and you will be, because on that particular day it is found that the accused persons were not there. So the London trial court deferred the chief examination.
The present petition was remanded in this case. And though FIR unknown and no description in the
No,
161
you are
and
right that
FIR.
the TI parade should have been conducted, but it has not been done. But the witness may identify in court at least relevant witnesses where this act was committed. It was in.
ନୂଆପାଟଣା ଛକ ଦେଇ NH ଗଲାବେଳେ ନୂଆପାଟଣା ଧାନ କଳ ପାଖରେ।
So how many persons were present at the spot? This PW2.
ଲାଲା ଲଳିତ କୁମାର
Lala is PW2.
Yes.
Any
ଆଉ
other?
ଭାଉଜ ଭାଗ୍ୟଲତା ସିଂ ଆଉ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସଂଯୁକ୍ତା ମଞ୍ଜରୀ ସିଂ।
Okay, so let all those three persons be examined, and you produce them, and thereafter we'll consider. I'm keeping this matter pending. You just ensure the attendance of the Lekhon. Review the status report furnished by the London Trial Court, which reveals that the two witnesses have been examined, and so far as PW1 is concerned, he has been examined. He or she, PW1, he has been examined, cross-examined, and discharged. And so far as PW2, Lala Manas Kumar Singh, the informant in the case is concerned, the chief examination has been deferred because the accused persons were not produced in court, and even if they were shown through VC, but it was not visible properly. The London Council for the state, on verification of the case diary, submits that it's a case of dacoity with murder, and the vital witnesses are Lala Manas Kumar Singh bracket PW2 and ଆଉ ଦିଟା witness को ନାଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଥିଲେ
ସୁଜାତା ମଞ୍ଜରୀ ସିଂ
ଠିକ ସେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ସୁଜାତା
permission, let the inspector in charge of Chaudhar police station appear before the London trial court, that is first additional sessions judge Cutter, in ST case number 103 of 2021, and receive summons in respect of PW2, so also the other two witnesses, namely se jo aradita witness ko naam likhiye, and ensure their attendance on the date fixed. The jail superintendent shall be instructed to ensure the attendance of the accused persons who are in judicial custody on the date fixed for trial. Are you aware when the date is fixed?
The case is posted to 13/3/2020.
13/3. The London Council for the appellant petitioner submitted that the next date for trial is fixed to 13/3/2024. Okay. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 27th March 2024. If the aforesaid three witnesses are examined, the London Council for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of their deposition on the next date. Yes. Free copy of the order be handed over to the London Council for the state.
Item 47.
Lordship was pleased to provide order dated 1/2/2024 for the status report, and my bail application was earlier dealt with, my lord, by order dated 9/1/2023.
Wait, let me see the status report. Okay, status report indicates
11.
Out of 34 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been examined.
My lord.
You have given the deposition copies?
No, my lord. I have
Then?
not.
You are having those copies with you?
No, my lord. My lord,
Okay, that is available with me. I'm asking the registry to supply you
my
so
lord.
also to the State Council.
My
Period
lord,
the
I mean,
status report.
my lord,
Yes.
my humble submission before your lordship, only 7 witnesses were examined first. Thereafter,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କହିଲି status report ଆସିଛି,
thereafter,
11ଟା
my lord,
witness ଆସିଛି,
your
11ଟା
lordship,
ଯାକର statement ର copy ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
Please go through it and let the State Council also go through it.
my
Make your submission on the next date. The period the status report from which it reveals that out of 34 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been examined. The deposition copies of the witnesses have been sent by the London Trial Court. Let the one set of deposition copy be supplied to the London Council for the state and another set to the London Council for the petitioner by next week by the registry of this matter in the week commencing from 11th March 2024. You have received the case diary?
Yes, sir.
Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary. Yes.
Item 48.
May I please your lordship, my lord? Your custody, my lord, 12/7/2022, and this case is a remand case, my lord. The name of the petitioner does not find place in the FIR.
What is the offense here?
21C, my lord, and 29 of NDPX Act. And basis of the implication, confessional statement of the co-accused.
So earlier rejected?
No, my lord. Earliest bail application deal by my lord and granted in respect of one accused Sanjeev Kumar Dehri. That is why this matter was, my lord.
No, it's all right, but
since, my lord, only, my lord, my predicament, my against my name, my lord, 6 criminal antecedents.
So
Similar, and to that effect, my lord, as per the order dated 8/12, I filed the comprehensive affidavit.
Yes.
And, my lord, in all cases, my lord, I release on bail, my lord.
Maybe so.
Habitual drug.
Habitual drug.
Remand ଗୋଟିଏ କେସରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ କରି ମତେ ସବୁଥିରେ ନଉଛନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ବେଲ୍ ପାଇଗଲେଣି। ସେ କପି ବି ହଜୁର ଦେଇଥିଲେ, ଆଉ ଥରେ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ବି ଦେଇଦଉଛି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ହଉଛି 2021 ମସିହାର ସବୁ ଜଳେଶ୍ୱର ଥାନାର କେସ୍।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଏଇଟା ମତେ ଆଣିଲେ ହଜୁର, ଏଇଟା 20 ମସିହାର କେସରେ।
ୱେଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି 20, ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି 20 ମସିହାର।
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଜଳେଶ୍ୱର ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 112। No, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକରେ ଆପଣ କଣ ସବୁଥିରେ କୋଆକ୍ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବେସିସରେ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିକେଟ୍ ହେଇଛି?
ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ
Have you taken instruction, Mr.?
ସେଟା
This belongs to one PS. Most of them are Jaleshwar PS case number. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି
ଅଲଗା ଅଛି। ମୁଁ କପି ଗୁଡା ବି ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଛି, ଆଉ ରେଷ୍ଟ 3ଟା ଥିଲା ହଜୁର, ଆଜି ବି ଦେଇଦେଉଛି।
ସପ୍ଲାଏ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମିଷ୍ଟର ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକରେ ଯେତିକ ଥିଲା ସବୁ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଲେ ସେ କୋଆକ୍ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ବେସିସରେ।
ଏଟା ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ହଜୁର ଦେଇଛି।
So ascertain from that Jaleshwar PS at least 5, 6, 7 the serial numbers, then
ଗୋଟିଏ ଅଲଗା ମାରାଇନ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍।
ତଲସାରୀ ମାରାଇନ୍ ର ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି ଆଇଟମ ନମ୍ବର 2 ରେ, ବାକି ସବୁ ଜଲେଶ୍ୱର ଥାନାର।
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ତ ଆଇଏସି କହିଲେ ସେ ଦେଖିଦବ ଯେ ଏଗୁଡାକ କୋଆକ୍ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିକେଟ ହେଇଛି।
ଗୋଟେ ବିଲୋ କମର୍ସିଆଲ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
let them obtain it. The London Council for the petitioner supplied the bail order copies of the petitioner in other cases to the London Council for this state.
ଆଗରୁ ଦେଇଥିଲି 3ଟା, ଆଜି 3ଟା ଦେଇଦେଲି।
So also fileless copies for the court. The London Council for the state has pointed out that there are how many criminal antecedents? 6 criminal antecedents, including this case. No. 6 criminal antecedents against the petitioner of similar nature, and all the offenses are under section 21B or 29 of the NDPS Act or 21C/29 of the NDPS Act. 21B29 or 21C29 of the NDPS Act. The London Council for the petitioner submitted that in all those 6
No.
cases,
ଗୋଟିଏ କେସ୍ ଦିଟା କେସରେ ମିଲର ମୁଁ 21B ରେ ଧରା ହେଇଥିଲା ମୋଠୁ ପଜେସନ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ମିଲର ମାରାଇନ କେସ୍ ଟା ସେ ଅର୍ଡର
then
ଦେଇଛି
I'm rejecting it. So and so, darkar nahi. In view of such criminal antecedents, I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Stands
ମିଲର
rejected.
ମାଇ
Trial be
କେସ୍
expedited.
ଗୋଟିଏରେ ଧରା ହେଇକି ସବୁଥିରେ
Yes.
ରିମାଣ୍ଡ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
Next.
ମିଲର ମାଇ କେସ୍ ମିଲର ଗୋଟେ 21B ରେ ଧରା ହେଲି ଆଉ ସବୁ
Next
ରିମାଣ୍ଡ
case. Yes.
ଫର ଏ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ମିଲର
49, Mr. Dwivedi.
ଫର ଏ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ମିଲର
Sorry. Yes.
ଗୋଟିଏ କେସରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ
Yes,
ହେଇକି ଆଉ
Mr.
ସବୁଥିରେ
Dwivedi.
Yes, Madam. In this
Yes.
case, Lordship already rejected the prayer for bail of the petitioner. And subsequently, my lord, the eyewitnesses have been examined, have annexed their depositions. All have turned.
Have you supplied deposition
Already
copies?
annexed in my bail application.
Which is that? Okay. How many witnesses have been examined?
The witnesses, my lord.
10 10 ଜଣଙ୍କ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
So, Mr. Tripathi, they have not supported the
all
prosecution.
turned hostile
Any other important witness or material witness left
In
out?
FIR, my lord, only 6 are the persons who are present at the scene of occurrence. My lord, I have given the
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Your earlier bail application was rejected.
Yes, ma'am. I have given the certificate.
That is BLAPL number.
3402 of 2022.
Submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
5/10/2021.
Basically, 5/10/21. And he has been charge sheeted under section
302. That's seated under section 302 of the IPC.
only 302.
Yes, ma'am.
302 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop. The petitioner earlier approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 3402 of 2022, which was rejected by the order dated 17/1/2023. Our liberty was granted to the petitioner to renew the prayer for bail after examination of the eyewitnesses. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that in the meantime, trial has commenced and 10 witnesses have been examined, including the eyewitnesses
informant
and informant, and none of them have supported the prosecution case.
informant is the wife of the deceased
Informant, who is the wife of the deceased, have also not supported the prosecution case. And in view of the change in the circumstances, the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the petitioner has annexed the deposition copies of the witnesses to the bail application, and the learned counsel for the state, after going through such deposition copies, fairly submits that there is no material against the petitioner as per the evidence of the witnesses examined so far in the trial court. And there is no other material witnesses to be examined during trial. In view of such submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the nature of evidence adduced so far in the trial court and the period of detention I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail, subject to condition he shall appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and shall not try to indulge in any criminal activities or tamper with the evidence, violation of any terms and condition shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Item 50.
Lordship, in the case of 302 and other offences, Lordship,
And
the petitioner in custody since
you have received the case diary?
Your case diary is there. Status report was
called for. Status report indicates it is dated 30/10/23. Out of 60 charge sheet witnesses, 10 witnesses have been examined. Offense is under section 302 20B2C. Other offenses are there. And have you got those deposition
Yes, sir,
copies?
I already filed the
You have
deposition of
filed.
10 witnesses, Lordship.
Right. And what they have stated against you?
No, sir, none of only the PW7, one of the Home Guard stated, narrating the episode, but he has failed to establish those persons who have been involved in the crime.
No, he has not identified you.
No, Lordship. And also deferred the witness. He has stated, I could not identify the accused person standing in the dock as the incident of
Please come to PW7. You are pressing PW7.
7.
Okay. So which line you want to place?
Para 3 Miller first.
Last.
Para 4 Miller.
Para 4.
Yes. And the page 6 PW7.
We'll go to that.
Lordship.
Let
Para
us.
4 Miller.
Yes, please place Mr. Tripathi.
SI Maharana sir informed the fact of the IIC Maithali and Urkel with a request to send extra force to the spot. We are able to hold 36 number of peoples at the spot, and the rest of them fled away from the spot by throwing away their kaudi and bastas, taking advantage of the darkness. After being informed by SI Maharana sir, both the IIC directed to complete the work as per law. SI then fifth is not relevant. Sixth, SI asked about the identity of the detained person and the disclosure their name as Pavitra Mandal, that's petitioner, Raghu Kanti.
How many persons are there in this bail application?
One,
Pavitra.
Pavitra Mandal, Raghu Kanti.
No, not necessary to name the others. Yes, then what he has stated, I do
not. Could not identify those who are fled away from the spot.
Oh, not necessary.
Yes.
He has
caught from the spot.
So what they were doing actually?
They are transporting the ganjas.
Okay, then how 302 came?
Then they assaulted one constable.
Who? Who the persons who are detained?
Yes, well.
Please continue that evidence.
There is omnibus allegation, Lordship.
Maybe you are assaulting a public servant on duty and killing him, and you are carrying commercial quantity ganja. You are detained, and then you committed murder of a public servant on duty. 70 packets of ganja were seized. So omnibus allegation or
omnibus allegation?
Maybe
all have stated, Lordship.
Face trial. Very serious.
Some applications, Lordship.
Are the learned counsel
for a moment, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship also considered some application of the other co-accused persons involved in the crime, Lordship.
Yeah.
That is the tag with the file, Lordship.
Yeah.
Reflected in the number. And also last occasion, Lordship also considered other two petitioners, Lordship, involved in the crime on the interim bail because of delayed trial, Lordship.
When you are in custody?
Well, I am in custody, Lordship, since 7/9/2020, Lordship.
7/9/2020 is not such a period for which.
Lordship, and also, Lordship, the person stands in the similar footing with the present petitioner, Lordship.
Who are they?
They are, Lordship, one Bhagat Kumbhar, Lordship. Bhagat Kumbhar.
So where is the bail order copy?
Lordship.
No, hand it over to the state counsel. Let him examine. Mr. Learned counsel for the state place the evidence of PW7 from which it reveals that who are the persons who were detained by the police personnel while committing the crime, and those detained persons committed the murder of a public servant on duty. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that two of the ଦିଜଣ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ୍
ନାଇଁ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି 3 ଜଣ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଏ 2 ଜଣ ଇଏ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେତେ ଜଣ ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
2 ଜଣ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ୍
submits that some of the co-accused persons have been enlarged on bail, and he has handed over the bail order copies of
one copy.
Bail order copy of a Acha, the bail order copies of two persons to the Learned Council for the state who seek some time to examine the evidence on record regarding claim of parity, put up this matter in the week commencing from 4th March 2024. Yes.
Item 51.
Mr. Rautray.
May I proceed? That on 13/10/23, my lord, the report has called for regarding address verification and the my lord.
These are outsiders.
Yes, my lord.
So the last order was
13/10/23.
Superintendent of Police Sundargarh shall make necessary communication with SP of Khunti in the state of Jharkhand. And local securities documents you have to also produce. You have given it.
Yes,
Yes, sir. The
So-
address verification has come.
What
He was
is it?
not staying there.
So?
Nobody. कारण गया कि आलोकन से पाया कि उक्त नाम पता के व्यक्ति ग्राम सुवर्ण खूंटी में नहीं रहता है.
All right. So give you a copy so that he will ascertain from his client. And what about these
Securities, my lord, that they have
documents you have not given?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So what has come?
That is, my lord, that is correct, my lord. They are
Wait,
ready.
wait.
They are ready.
All right. The Learning Council for the state submitted that the names, address, and documents of two local sureties which were furnished by the Learning Council for the petitioner to him on verification found to be correct, and they are genuine bailers and the documents are authentic. However, he submits that report has been furnished that the cost title address, the appellant is not residing, and stop. The Learned Council for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction.
I have taken instruction, sir, with the copy of the address.
କହୁଛି ପରା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆପଣ.
He is giving the correct address.
Acha, okay. Submitted that that the is not residing in the address furnished in the cost title. The Learned Council for the petitioner furnished the correct address to the Learned Council for the state in court. Let the same be verified through the superintendent of police so and so agar auditor ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ହେଲା.
সেটা পিএস সেটা খুঁটি ଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ପିଏସ୍ କାରା ହବ
11 ତାରିଖରେ ଆସିବ ଲେଖା. 11 free copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council. Yes, next.
ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଆଗ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ପିଏସ୍ ଖୁଣ୍ଟି ହେଇଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପିଏସ୍ କାରାର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦଉଛି
ଯାହା ହେଇଥିବ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଦେଇଥିବେ ସେ ନେବେ ଆଉ କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେବେ. Yes.
May I please, Your
52.
Madam, the present petitioner is in jail custody
Item 53.
May I please, my lord? My lord, order dated 15/12/23, my lord directed to produce the bail on which the petitioner is released on bail, and I am the mother of the petitioner filed the comprehensive affidavit regarding the release.
You are having 13 criminal antecedents.
Yes, ma'am.
And you were asked to file a better comprehensive affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have filed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that?
Flag last 2nd January 24.
2nd January 24. So come to page 2. Have you furnished a copy to the State Council?
Yes.
So come to the page 2nd where you have mentioned Odogaon PS case number so and so. You are mentioned simply pending.
The present case, this case.
This case, I'll leave it. Then the other case is whether you are on bail or not, that you have not mentioned.
First, I'll release on bail number table. And
Code लिखिए पहले.
Serial number. PS case number.
Case number.
Release on bail.
Code. Released on BLAPL number.
এই তଳେ ସବୁ number ଅଛି.
ଏଇଥିରେ ରିଲିଜ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Yes, ma'am.
pending କଣ ଅଛି?
Pending ଅଛି ଏଇଟା present ଟା.
Present ଟା ତ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରଥମଟା. ଯୋଉଟା
6 number ବି
6
pending.
number ଟା ନାହିଁ pending ଏବେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ମାନେ pending ଥିଲା at the time of filing this.
Now you have been granted bail.
Yes.
In all these cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the bail order copies?
Here is the.
ସବୁଗୁଡା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
So what type of offense in those cases?
394.
394, 92.
And the present case is 106.
Present is 399. And basing on co-accused statement, I am not on the spot.
तो आपनु काई 399 केस रे सब नै पुलिस पुरुषन
सब नु एई गोटी को 390.
नहीं आपन जो कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एफिडेविट
अदर
फाइल करछन 394
394 94 92.
सो ओडगां आपन को एरिया ऑफ ऑपरेशन होची ओडगां और चांदपुर
18 मसिया केस को-accused माने ऑलरेडी रिलीज हे जायछन बेल रे. And I also annex the bail.
जगह छाड़ दियंतु अन्य जगह पळे आसन सेट रहिले बेसी आपन जोड़ा सब से एरिया रे आपन करूचंदी एडा किछि डिस्पोज ऑफ इन सबुडा पेंडिंग अछि.
सब
ये जो केस ओडा को 2018 मसिया रो और 19 मसिया रो these are all you are on bail.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are committing one after another crime. And of course, it's now it's a 399. You are not found at the spot. You are based on the co-accused statement. But in view of your criminal antecedent, why bail will be granted to you?
Falsely, if there is one or two in case, then entangle
in
the
this
other.
Case, you are in custody since?
12-10-22. Remanded.
Taken on remand.
Yes.
Spot रे ये नथिला मिस्टर त्रिपाठी.
FIR अछि नाही spot नथि.
Spot रे किए धरा पड़ला?
4 जन.
4 जन.
Yes.
से माने आपन ना कहले?
Yes, ma'am.
आपन खसी पळैथिले?
नथिली सेति.
नथिले खसी पळैला और से सेवन कहउछंदी. Five persons are sitting under a banyan tree located in front of so and so. Little distance, one of them noticed shouted police, police. Hearing the holla, Dokai started running. Out of them, we could be able to nab 4 persons. One managed to escape. So see, one thousand the apono se na koile. All right, heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner was taken on remand in this case on 12/10/2022, and his implication in the case is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police, which is not disputed by the learned counsel for the state. And after going through the comprehensive affidavit filed by the learned counsel for the petitioner, I'm inclined to, and hearing the learned counsel for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the IIC Odogam police station once in every week on Sunday in between 10 to 4 without fail till the conclusion of trial, and he shall not indulge in any criminal activities. The violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes. Your name is Kavita Patro?
Yes, my lord.
Not Miss Kavita Patro.
Item 54,
54 withdraw is first of all.
55,
55, Mr. Manoranjan Padi.
Yeah, please, my lord.
Yes.
But CD is not there.
CD is not there. What is the offense here?
20.
Lord, 20 bit.
C.
Yes, my lord. And trial status report, lordship call for that is tagged with flag K, my lord.
What was called for?
Trial status report, my lord.
No, that is there, but the state council is seeking for time to get the case diary.
For case diary, my lord, 15-12 order was passed for case diary, my lord.
Yes, you are right. So get it. Which police station it is?
Boriguma, my lord.
Boriguma.
So whether it would be I'll keep it 11. All right. The heard Mr. Manoranjan Padil and counsel appearing through virtual High Court Koraput at Jaipur, and stop. Period the status report furnished by the Learned Trial Court. The Learned Counsel for the state seeks some more time to produce the case diary and also to obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Put up this matter on 11th March 2024.
Oblige.
item 56,
56. Yes, Mr. Saran.
Yes, CD record, my lord.
Not first time.
Yes.
Okay, what is the offense here? 302.
302.
Which police station it is?
It is
Sadar Police Station.
Sadar.
All right, get it. Next week you can take off.
Yes.
4th, okay. Mr. Om Prakash Sharan, Learned Counsel appearing through virtual High Court, Dhenkanal. Learned Counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary, so also take instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Put up this matter on 4th March 2024.
item 57,
My lord, I am VC from Noyagarh, my lord.
Yes.
Let us serve a copy, my lord. To bail.
Learned Counsel, you have not served a copy of the bail application on the State Council?
My lord, I have filed I have service copy. I have proof of this thing. Already filed.
Okay, the receipt is available with you.
Yes, my lord.
What is the date? Can you tell me when it was served?
My lord, date is 12/9/23.
12/9
September 23.
23. It was sent through in which mode?
Mail.
Or it was,
Mail ID.
Mail ID.
Mail ID and AG of Noyagarh.
Sometime mail were crashed, my lord.
Okay, why don't you send another one today through that mail and to the AG office? Send another copy. Okay, the scanned copy must be available with you. So get it today, and so that you have received the case diary.
Yes, sir. Case diary.
So
Yes,
if case diary is available, what you will do with the case? It can be hard today. Okay, you argue the matter. Let us see that if the
Madam, this is a case under section
Just
1
a minute. Is it your first application or earlier rejected?
earlier rejected. Once rejected.
What is that BLAPL number?
BLPL number 2062 by 2019.
Before by this court it was rejected earlier.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
So
Page number 49.
you have given that copy.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, BLAPL 2062 of 2019. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
So
My lord, after rejection, another bail also filed.
just a minute. Let me go through it.
Yes, my lord.
So the State Council submitted on the other day when I rejected it that as per the statement of the eyewitness Nilamani Swai, it is on account of firing of gunshot by you that the deceased Silu Pradhan and on account of firing of gunshot by another Prabhat Kumar Pradhan on the deceased Rama Pradhan, both the deceased died. So it's a case of double murder, and you fired at that deceased Silu Pradhan. So after this 2019, you have never come to this court again.
My lord, another CRLMP filed by the informant by number 2110 by 2022. My lord, page number 61.
I'm asking you a pertinent question, Learned Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Since when you are in custody?
5/11/18.
5/11/2018. What is the trial position?
9 witnesses examined till now.
Nine witnesses examined. All right.
Lordship out of 27. Instruction to appear in this case.
For
Informant.
you appear.
And I will file Voklatna, so your lordship may keep it tomorrow or any day.
Okay. Let me know that whether that eyewitness Nilamani Swai has been examined.
Yes, my lord.
What he has supported the prosecution case or not?
Not prosecution supported. Prosecution case supported.
So have you given the deposition copy of the witnesses to the court as well as to the Learned State Council?
Deposition copy is with me, but I have not filed.
Please file it. And Mr. Tripathi has instruction to appear for the informant. And if he files Vinama, then you give the appeal this bail petition not only to the State Council but also to him, and also these deposition copies. So by now you have instruction that 9 witnesses have been examined in the trial court.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes.
All right. Heard Mr. Kalu Charan Swai, Learned Counsel, appearing through virtual High Court, Nayagarh. He submits that 9 witnesses have been examined so far in the trial court. The Learned Counsel for the state submits that though he has received the case diary but not received the copy of the bail petition, Mr. Tripathi, Learned Counsel, submits that he has instruction to appear for the informant and he will file Vinama by tomorrow. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th March 2024. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall supply the deposition copies of the 9 witnesses examined in the trial court to the Learned Counsel for the state in the meantime. And if Mr. Tripathi files the Vinama, not only the bail petition copy but also the deposition copies to be supplied to him also. No? Put up this matter on 11th March 2024. Yes.
Item 58.
May it please your lordship.
58, 59, CD is not available.
ଆଜ୍ଞା 8, 9, 23 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ଆଗରୁ ଟାଇମ ନେଇଥିଲେ ନା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଆସିଛି?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ 17, 11, 23 ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଆସିଥିଲା।
15 ବାର
କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିବ କୋଉ ଥାନାରୁ?
ମୋହନା
ମୋହନା
ଗଜପତି
ଆଉ ନେଇ ଆସୁନ 4 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଶୁଣିବା।
4
କଣ ମୋହନା ଟା କୁଆଡେ କି ସାଇକେଲ ରେ ଗଲେ ତ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ନେଇକି। So Learned Counsel for the state seeks for an adjournment till next week for getting the case diary put up this matter on 4th March 2024. Same order in item number 59. Yes.
Item 60.
May
Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
offense under section 399/402.
Yes, you have received the case diary.
Yes, Mr.
How many criminal antecedents are there?
No. Actually,
No CA, Mr.
No CA. Since when you are in custody?
custody, my lord, since 7/9/2023.
7/9
2023.
apprehended at the spot.
No, my lord.
Co-accused statement.
Co-accused, I am an absconder, man.
399/402.
Ma'am.
Arms Act 9.
No.
Are the Learned Counsel for the petition, Learned Counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/9/2023. He has been charge-sheeted under section 399/402 of the Indian Penal Code. His implication in the case is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police, and after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, who submitted that there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 61.
Student Miller 20B2C, 22 kg of ganja, and the petitioner is not arrested from the spot, Miller. It is a case of 2020, and he was arrested on 5/10/2023, being implicated on the version of the co-accused, Miller.
How many criminal antecedents are there?
Criminality call for, Miller. No, I have the instruction. No.
One.
What is that?
Baliguda PS case number 113/17,
Offense?
323, 324, 341, 354, 506.
Not fire NDPS.
No.
So here his implication is co-accused
Co-accused.
statement. Are the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, you are taken on remand in this case, or
No, not
arrested?
remand.
Are taken into
Arrested
custody on
NBW.
5/10/2023, and his implication is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police, and after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, who submitted that there is one criminal antecedent against the petitioner of magistrate tribal offences,
Yes.
and keeping in view the ratio laid down in the case of Tufan Singh versus State of Tamil Nadu reported in so and so, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
Oh, blessed.
Item 62.
Well, item 62, may I please your lordship? Well, I am the VC man.
Yes.
CD is required, my lord. CD is
What is the
Let's
option?
see.
302.
302.
My lord, subject to your lordship's acceptance, your lordship, at page 20, similarly situated person has been granted bail, your lordship.
But
By your
unless he is having the case diary, how can he verify whether you are similarly situated or not? So
Well, it is from the
police station it is.
It is Lakshmi Koraput.
Koraput. Is it coming for the first time or earlier it has come?
Earlier once it has
So
come.
get
Uttar
it, get it.
Yes.
Hard Mr. B.R. Tripathi, Learned Counsel through virtual mode, and Mr. Tripathi, Learned Counsel for the state, submits that he is yet to receive the case diary and also instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner put up this matter in the week commencing from 11th of March 2024. Yes.
Item 63.
63. Yes, Learned Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Within 3 weeks, my lord.
I'm granting you some more time. Complete it by 30th of March 2024.
Yes.
All right. No further adjournment.
Yes.
All right. IN number so and so. This is an application for extension of time to comply the order dated so and so. Prayer is allowed. The petitioner shall surrender on or before 30th of March 2024 for compliance of the order. It is made clear that no further adjournment and no further extension shall be granted. IA is disposed of.
Obliged, my lord.